Suubi atunyonyodde history wa Ukraine ne taatawe wonna waatudde nakkiriza wonna beewunyiza manyi omwana ono mwana muto naye ng'obwongo bwo busaliza ddala waggulu naye nga vidiyo njirina maaso awo ngenda bangi kutuusaako butereevu sagala mbeere nga mwogerera ng'ate ebigambo bye ye mu kamwa ke byonna mbina naye kansooka okwebaza gwe wenna omulungi ya subscribinga ku Wonderboy UG darling wakola kyamaanyi nnyo ddala era nga naye abaetanayo kusubscribinga mukwano subscribe kona ku notification bell ate tubeere nga bugire tuteekayo mukwano gwasooka ozifuna naye nga tuna kugenda mu maaso badde nkusaba ka video kano kampereka like ate kasobole okuba nga keeyongerayo naye nga seerabidde batuteekamu ensimu aba Biva Organic bano nga bakozesa eddagala ly'obutonde okuba nga bakujjanjaba ate ye Hajati Kalodza kugamba akulombereddwa oba olina bulwadde ki oba kizibu ky'obulamu bwesibye beera ng'omukonako bukonya ate ensonga yabeere ng'akola ki nga gikwasaganya naye nga tweyongeddeyo mawulire g'olunaku olwaleero omanyi Suubi ono agenda mwana muto naye alina ebigambo byayogera n'ogamba mwana muto naye ng'ategeera ebigambo ebimuvamu bibeera bya kintu kikulu nnyo era ne bazaddeyo bamwewuunya nnyo kubanga omwana ono omuto bw'ati asobola okulizoninga nga omuntu omukulu omwana ono yeewuunyisa nnyo kyova olaba era bamwagala nnyo Kalastiboni Kakyagulanyi n'olunaku olwaleero agenze n'atuwa history wa Ukraine maama ne taata we batudde bonna ne bamwenya ne baseka ne beewuunya omwana waabwe naye ku lwaki bamwongerera ati kamukutereko nawe obeere ng'omuwulirako butereevu. I sign out.
Okay, we'll go one by one. I'm going to ask, what do I ask about? General knowledge. Suubi has run away. Suubi. Okay. Tell me about, what do you think about the war that is going on between Russia and Ukraine? What do you know about it? Who goes first? Does Suubi go first?
Do you know what's happening between Ukraine and Russia?
Tell me about the war between Russia and Ukraine.
What you think about it?
Okay, but Tata, don't judge me. I've not been watching a lot of it, but I've watched two.
I won't judge it. I don't. No, hold on.
What you know just?
I won't judge you. Just what you know. First of all, wait. What do you know about that war? The causes, what caused it, whatever. Just what you know.
So what caused it?
Okay. No. What do you know about that war?
Louder.
Wait, was it Russia or Ukraine? Oh, yeah. Russia was bigger than Ukraine, and Russia thought that their country was smaller than Ukraine, and then Russia wanted to take half of Ukraine, but Ukraine said that Russia was bigger than it, and then Russia got annoyed and started the war, and then it kept on going on, and then you started to support Ukraine, and then they were very annoyed, so they were keeping on shooting missiles at Russia, Ukraine, to make sure all those people go away so they can take Ukraine.
Wow. So, in brief, what does Russia want?
Russia wants to take over Ukraine.
Okay.
How do you know all that, Sue? Bad news.
Okay. And what does Ukraine want?
Ukraine wants to live in peace.
Wow. And you on your side, who do you support?
This is hard.
Yeah?
Let her give us her opinion. Mama, who would you support?
Your opinion matters.
So, I give you my opinion, but
Yeah.
I'm not yet going to give who I'm supporting.
Yeah.
I'm going to give my opinion.
Yeah.
So, I agree with Ukraine.
Yeah.
It should be that they leave Ukraine alone.
Yeah.
They live in their peace. But also, I agree with Russia a tiny bit. Because Russia it has some people who are dying, and they are losing some things, some space to other countries.
Okay.
So they want to get some more space
Okay.
to get more.
So you agree with them a tiny bit for them to take Ukraine's space, yeah?